Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a question about systems of linear equations. I'll first read the question carefully. One of the two equations in the system of linear equation is given, negative 15x plus 25y equals to 65. The system has infinitely many solutions. Which of the following could be the second equation in the system? The answer choices are A. 12x plus 20y is equal to 52. B. 12x plus 20y is equal to minus 52. C. Minus 12x plus 20y is equal to 52. And D. Minus 12x plus 20y is equal to minus 52. Now let us understand what the question is asking. If a system has infinitely many solutions, that means both equations represent the same line. That means one equation must be a multiple of the other, and the coefficients and the constant must all be multiplied by the same number. So our goal is to check which option is a multiple of minus 15x plus 25y is equal to 65. Now the given equation is what? Minus 15x plus 25y is equal to 65. To make things simpler, let us reduce this equation by dividing everything by 5. Now, why divide by 5? Because all numbers 25, 15 and 65 are divisible by 5. So, dividing each term by 5, minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, minus 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5 and 65 divided by 5 is 13. So the simplified equation becomes minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Okay. Now this is much easier to compare. Now we test each answer choice to see if it is a multiple of minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Now let's go to the option A first. And option A says 12x plus 20y is equal to 52. Now let us simplify this by dividing 4. So 12 divided 4 by 4 is 3, 20 divided by 4 is 5 and 52 divided by 4 is 13. So we get 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Now compare it with minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Notice something very important. The term x is positive 3x, but in the original it is negative 3x. So the signs do not match. So option A is not the same line. Okay. Now come to option B. That says 12x plus 20y is equal to minus 52. Again divide everything by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5 and minus 52 divided by 4 is minus 13. So we get 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 13 and compare it with minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Again the x coefficient is wrong sign and the constant is also different sign. So option B is not correct. Now come to option C. Option C says minus 12x plus 20y is equal to 52. Now divide everything by 4. So minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5 and 52 divided by 4 is 13. So we get minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Okay. Now compare it with our simplified original equation minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. They are exactly just the same. That means option C is simply a multiple of the original equation. Therefore, both equations represent the same line. So, the system would have infinitely many solutions. So, option C looks correct. Okay. Now, come to option D. Minus 12x plus 20y is equal to minus 52. Now, divide by 4. So minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5 and minus 52 divided by 4 is minus 13. So we get minus 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 13. But our original simplified equation was minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. So the constant term does not match. So option D is not correct here. Okay. So the only option that is exactly the same as the original equation, just multiplied by a number, is option C. Minus 12x plus 20y plus 52 plus 20y is equal to 52. So the correct answer is option C. Okay. So whenever a system has infinitely many solutions, the equation must represent the same line, and one equation must be a multiple of the other, and every coefficient and the constant must be multiplied by the same number, and signs must also match. If even one sign is different, it is not the same line. I hope this is completely clear to you. See you in the next session with another question. So it will be very interesting. So don't miss it. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.